Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm back with a new video, and in this one I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $100 a day with no experience, with no investment. Even if you're completely broke, you can do this. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, for more videos like this. Okay, so let's go in 3, 2, 1. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. The first thing that you have to do is to go to this website, eBay, okay? You already know what eBay is. So this method here is for you if you're super broke and not able to pay for important daily expenses like food, okay? So what we are gonna do is to find the demand on eBay, and we're gonna find the supplier. That's just right in, okay? Just right after that. And this is all what we are gonna do in this video. So I'm going to show you the method or the strategy on how to do this. So what we are gonna do here is to go on shop by category and click on see all categories, okay? So here we will find a specific category, something that you're familiar with. For me, I would choose something like cases and phone accessories, okay? Let's take a look at that. Not fashion, electronics, yeah, cell phone accessories, okay? Once you've done that, what you have to do now is to filter your category. We are gonna niche down this. We're gonna be more specific. For me, I'm going to choose like chargers and cradles. You're not supposed to do the same thing, okay? I'm just showing you the strategy or the example, okay? So right after that, what we are gonna do is to be more specific and filter this out. So what you have to do is to go here and click on conditions new, okay, and wait for it to charge, and just after that go down, okay, and click on buy it now. Click here on buy it now, okay? Once you've done this, what you're gonna make sure is to take a look at the products, okay? So for example, let's see this one. 281 items has been already sold, okay? 5,704 items has been already sold, and it is $11.47, okay? So that's a great range, because between $10 and $50, that's a great range, okay? So let's click on this one, for example, and once we click on this one, let me show you. Once you click on this one, what you're gonna see is $11.47 plus $2.54 in shipping, $54 in shipping, okay? So this is a great product. What we are gonna do here in this video, guys, we're gonna just connect the supplier with the client, okay? But here is an important tip for you. You don't want to choose a product that is less than $10, because you're gonna lose 13% out of your product, 10% on selling it and 3% on PayPal. The next thing that you want to make sure is that at least 30 items has been sold in the past 30 days, okay? And also make sure to choose light products. You don't want to lose a lot of money just in shipping, because if you're shipping heavy products, you're gonna lose a lot of money just in shipping, and you're gonna make it so hard on you to make money with this method, okay? And also it's better to increase the price and make the shipment for free, because we love to see free shipments. You can take here, you can put here like $13, okay, or even $14 in free shipment. That's gonna be the same thing, exactly the same thing. That's exactly what's gonna cost you, $2.54. So just say free shipment and $14 here. It's exactly the same thing. Well, this is what you think, but it is not the same thing, okay? Because we love free shipment. People love free shipment. Okay, so make sure to put this in mind if you want to make it. So the next thing that we are gonna do here is to go back, okay? Just go back and let me show you what we are gonna do. So we are gonna search for the supplier now. If we have the products, if we have a good product, let's go and search for the supplier. So just keep in mind that the price here is $11.47 with shipment. That's about $13, okay, or $14. What we are gonna do is to right click and go to search Google for images, okay? And once you do that, we will find the supplier right away. So once you go to Google, you'll find the supplier that is AliExpress, and the price is $5.45 per item. Okay, so this is $4.45 per item. You're gonna buy it here and you're gonna sell it on eBay for $11, or let's say $13. That's almost $10, okay, in profit. So what we are gonna do here is you put the offer in eBay and you wait for it to sell, and once your product is sold, then you're going to go to AliExpress and buy it and send the product to the clients. Okay, you're not gonna buy anything, you're just gonna wait for the product to be sold, and after that you will send the product to the client. So this is it, guys. This is all you have to do. This is pretty simple. There's no investment, there is no skills to do that. This is very simple. However, there is another issue. The issue that you have here is that because you're doing this on eBay, so you're not owning your traffic, so that means that there is a lot of competition out there and you don't own your traffic. It's not gonna be that easy, so you should diversify your products. Okay, don't just rely on one product, but rather than that you can make a lot of products. You can make a lot of products, okay, or you can make a lot of offers on eBay. Just diversify that. Don't just rely on one product, otherwise you cannot make it, because there is a lot of competition out there. Even that it looks not easy, it's not that easy. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.